Hello students, in this class we continue the pair of linear equation in two variables, exercise 3.2. Here in the last class we solved the fifth problem. Fifth problem, they have not asked the graphical representation. So they have only given us to find out the length and breadth of the garden. So the problem given was, see here, of the perimeter of the rectangular garden whose length is 4 meters, more than its width is 36 meters. Find the dimensions, that is dimensions means length and breadth. So what we do in the previous class, we solved it and we plotted the graph. So the graph was, see, this was the graph. So everything is here correct, but only leave this point, that is this was not correct, -1 and this -4 and 0, this was not correct. So all the other points were correct. This graphical representation is also correct, but in the question it is not compulsory. So this problem is only leave this point, that is -4 and 0. So you take the other 2 points here and we get the straight line. The problem is correct. So no need to worry. I told in the previous class, that is I will clarify this doubt in the next class. So this is not compulsory. So only finding the length and breadth. If they ask you to represent it in the graphical form, you can draw this. Leave this point, that is the -4 and 0. This is not correct. It comes somewhere here. So don't take this point. If you can assume another points and find out this x and value. Take some other value for x and find out until you get this straight line. So now today I will solve this. See, first step is this is the rectangle, this is the length and the breadth. So let the length of the rectangular garden be x and breadth, or we can write width. Breadth in the bracket you can write width. So length and breadth b. So this is the garden b x, and that is length is x and breadth b y. So now we can write the first part they have given of the perimeter of the rectangular. So of the perimeter means we can take like this 1/2, that is 2x, length plus 2y, the breadth equal to 36 they have given in the question. So this is the equation we got from the question, that is first part of the question. Now take 2 common. 2/2 is there, then x plus y is there, is equal to 36. 2 cancel, then we get how much, that is I'll write here, or I will continue here. X will get x plus y is equal to 36 we'll name it as the equation 1. After this, the second part of the question is what they have given, that is whose length is 4 meter, more than its width is 36 meter. So we can get, that is x is equal to length equal to 4 times more than its breadth. So the equation becomes like this, 4 times 4 plus y. So we have to write, or you can write like this, 4 is, or x minus y is equal to 4 we can write this equation as 2. So next is take both the equation, now solve the equations. So consider both the equation, x plus y is equal to 36, then x minus y is equal to 4. So now we solve the equation, this will become plus minus, cancel this x, so we'll get 2 So this one x plus y is equal to 36. This one is x minus y. So this one directly we can cancel this. So we'll get 2x. No need of changing this one. Then we'll get here, that is x minus y is equal to, then this is, that is 36 plus 4 will become 40. Then we have this x is equal to 20 here in the next equation. So take the equation that is x is equal to 4 plus y. Then substitute for what, x here, for x is equal to 20. Then we have 20 is equal to 4 plus y. 4 plus y is equal to, now 20, y is equal to 20 minus 4, which is y is equal to 16. Therefore what we get, that is length is so we get length is equal to 20, width is equal to 16, 20 meters, and width is equal to 16 meters. So this is the solution for the above problem. So we'll move on to the next one. So next is sixth problem. So next sixth problem is, therefore we have given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of pair so formed is, here are three conditions they have given: intersecting line, second one parallel line, third is coincident line. So we should form the equations in this case. So I'll just write down the first condition we'll take, that is the intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. So what happens here? First we take this one, they have given. Before this I'll write here given. So what is given here? That is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. So what are a1? So a1 is equal to 2 and b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to minus 8 is here. So next what we have to do here, for this condition intersecting line, we have to write a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So this is the condition we have to find out, that we have to construct an equation in the form that a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So for that we take a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 2, and this is assuming. You can write assume. b2 is equal to 2 and c2 is equal to minus 7. So now write down a1 by a2 is equal to, that is 2 by 3, b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore this what we get now here, see, both are not equal, a1 by a2. We have to construct the equation in this form that both are not equal. So that is the question. So we take the values in such a way that a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So this is the first. So now construct the equation. What we are taken here, this becomes 3x plus what is this? This becomes 2y. Then we get minus, that is 7 is equal to 0. So this is the first condition. Now we move on to the second condition. What is the second condition? That is parallel lines. Parallel lines. So for the parallel lines, the condition is A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2. So for this, what we have to take, the equation given is previous same values. So now we'll assume, that is, assume here we take A2 is equal to 2 and B2 is equal to 3. So next what we have, then C2 will take, C2 is equal to minus 12. So okay, A1 A2 is as same. So now we get, that is, A1 by A2 is equal to, what is A1, take there, that is 2 is there, 2 by, that is A2 is also 2. So we'll get 1 year. Next what, B1 by B2, what is B1 in the 3, and again B2 we have taken 3 cancel, we'll get 1 year also. Next what we have taken, C1 by C2, C1 is minus 8, C2 is minus 12, minus cancel, 2, 4 2s are 4 3s are. So we took the values in the way that C1 by C. So this condition is satisfied. C, A1 by A2 is equal to C B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2. What is here? A1 this is 1 equal to 1, not equal to 2 by 3. So this we got. Now we have to construct the equation. Constructing the equation is, what are the values we have taken? See there, that is 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is the equation. So here also the equation. Next, the last part is, that is third one is, what is the condition? That is coincident lines. So for this coincident lines, what is the condition means? See, all should be equal, that is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is equal to C1 by C2. So now what are the values we assume? We assume, that is, I'll just take A2 is equal to 4, B2 is equal to 6, C2 is equal to minus 16. So here C2 is minus 16. Now we just, what is the condition? See, all should be equal. Therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to, what is A1 here? 2. Then A2 is 4. Therefore, we have 4. That is 1 by 2. So, similarly, B1 by B2. What is B1 here? B1 was, that is 3. 3 by 6. 1 by 2 we are getting here. So finally C1 by C2 is equal to, what is C1 there? That is minus 8 we have. Then we take minus 16. Minus cancel. 8 1s are 8 2s are. What happened? All are equal now. So off is equal to off is equal to off. We got in all the conditions. Now we have to write the equation. So how much we took? That is 4x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0. This is the constructing the equations, assuming the values and satisfying the conditions for intersecting lines, parallel lines and coincident lines. This is the solution for this sixth problem. We move on to the seventh problem. Seventh problem, draw the here, seventh problem is given, draw the graph of the equations, that is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. So we have to take this equation given in the problems. Two equations are given. Then find out the table for x and y and also draw the graph. So solution is this. So we move on. First we'll take the equation x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. These are the two equations given. So for this we have to find out that is x is equal to, so I'll just write down this. Here I'll take y value. So y is equal to how much we get, that is that is 1 minus x, or minus y comes this side, means y is equal to x plus 1. So this is the equation for y. Then we take x is equal to 2, y will be, that is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to, that is minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. Similarly x is equal to 3, will take y is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So take the next equation. So we'll draw the table for this. What is the table? That is xy. So much is xy, that is we took 2, we are getting 3. Then we took minus 1, we got 1, 0. Then we took 3, we are getting 4 xy values. Next the other equation is 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. 2y can be written as 12 minus 3x. So 12 minus 3x, therefore y can be written as 12 minus 3x by 2. Therefore we'll calculate the x, and so y value for x is equal to 2, y is equal to 12 minus 3 into 2 by 2, which is equal to how much? 12 minus 6 by 2 is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So this is for one value. Next x is equal to 4, y is equal to how much? 12 minus 3 into 4 by 12, that is 12 minus 12 by 2 is equal to 0 is the answer. Next x is equal to how much? 0, we take y is equal to 12 minus 3 into 0 by 12. Therefore we get 12 by 12, which is equal to, no, this is 2, so 2 by 12 will be equal to 6. Therefore here what are the values of xy? Xy, so we are taking 2, we are getting 3, we are taking 4 and getting 0. Next x is 0, then what? Y is y, x is 0, y is 6. So this is the solution for the problem. We'll see the graph. So values, see the first value, this is the graph, and see this is the x and y coordinates. So first point is x is 2 and y is 3. See here, x is 2, y is 3. This is the point, this is x and y, where they this pair of the points. Next is minus 1 and 0. X is minus 1 and y is 0. This one, mark this. So the third is pair of values is, that is x is 3, see here 3, y is 4. Mark this point. This is 3 comma 4. Then the equation we have to write is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Next this another one, take that is x is 2, y is 3. Same here, both intersect at this point. So this one, for the first pair, draw this line, straight line. So next is 2 comma 3, that is x is 2, y is 3. It comes here, means intersect at the point, both the lines intersect at a common point. So next is what we have, the next point is 4 and 0. 4 is here, x, 0 will be this one, y is 0. So this is the another point. Next is 0 and 6. So x is 0, y is 6. So this will be the point. So x is 0, y is 6. So join all the points, we get this line. So which is this equation? This equation is, that is 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. So we get this triangle, shade this triangle. Use a scale or anything, shade. We got a triangle here. Shade this one, see here. This is the triangle form. So, but in the question they have given, that is, we have to just find out, write on the coordinates of the vertices of the shaded triangular region. So what are this? That is 4 0, this one, see first one, of the vertices of the shaded triangle. This is the 4 0. Then another one is this one, that is minus 1 and 0, and next one is, that is 2 comma 3. So finally we have to write here coordinates of the vertices of the shaded triangular region are. So you got the point. So these are the coordinates of the vertices of shaded triangular region. So this is a triangle. So these are the 3 points. This one 4 comma 0, minus 1 and 0. Then this one 2 comma 3. So write down this. Coordinates of the vertices of the shaded triangular region are, that is 4 comma 0. That is all the 3 endpoints of the triangle. Minus 1, 0 and 2 comma 3. So this is the solution for which one? That is the 7th question. So this completes the exercise 3.2. If you have any doubts, comment me, subscribe my channel, share, like all the videos. Once again, comment me if you have any doubt. We'll continue the next exercise in the next class. Thank you.